Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 FX4 with a 401A package. Now the exterior color is an Ingot Silver Metallic, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter Ecoboost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic select shift transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, as well as a pair of daytime running lights, a pair of fog lamps with 2 tow hooks, and our engine block heater connection. Over at the side we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our all-terrain tires, as well as we have our OEM running board with our color matched mirror caps and color matched door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows in the rear. At the rear we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7 pin connection, as well as our trailer hitch. We have our reverse sensor spread to our backup camera, and inside the box we have our tie-down points, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the power slide feature. At the interior we have tons of driver-friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power windows, power locks, and power adjustable mirrors. Over at our steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial and our foot pedal adjustment switch with our information trackpad and our cruise control settings on the left, as well as our hands-free and volume controls on the right. As we look up we have our auto-dim rear view mirror with our cabin lights and another set of cabin lights in the rear. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful cloth seating, which has a fully adjustable seat and power adjustable seat for the driver. And as we look ahead, you'll notice we have 67,710 kilometers on our F-150. And as we look at our display screen, we have our LCD screen, which allows and displays our backup camera, as well as it displays the outside temperature and date and time, as well as we have radio connectivity, CD, Sirius XM, and aux cord and phone connectivity. And down below we have our climate control area, which includes our air conditioning and heating throughout the entire cabin. And over to the left we have our integrated trailer braking system, our four-wheel drive engagement, and a 12-volt adapter on the right. And as we look at our center console, we have our console shift, which has our manual select option, as well as our dual cup holders and our center console for tons of extra storage, and 2 more cup holders in the rear. At the rear, passengers can enjoy door storage with power windows, as well as more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the back of our center console, we have our AC outlet and 12-volt adapter. And with our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, we have tons of legroom and lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.